Hey guys, so I actually got this as a gift for someone else, but it is really cool and I think I'm gonna have to keep it and get them another one. But this thing is super durable. Like you can tell that the metal is very high quality, and I mean it'll take a beating. Like I chopped down like a couple, like a little over 1 inch tree branches and stuff, and hammered in some nails just to try it out because I didn't want to get something that was garbage and then wait too late to return it. But so I use it this weekend actually to go camping with, and the axe is, or I don't know if you call it an axe or hatchet, but um, it can definitely hack some stuff, and there's no denting whatsoever to it, so that's a good sign. I was kind of afraid it would be cheap, but it works great, and I didn't actually use the pliers, but the little wire cutters in there are pretty sharp too, and the little fold-out attachments. The two saws are extremely sharp, and so is the um, knife. But like I said, this thing is extremely durable, and I was definitely impressed with it.